Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Wednesday, May 13 and the time is around 3 a.m. GMT. So today we are going to look at the chart of the YM. This is the Dow Jones future chart. We can see right here that currently the wave 2 is in progress. You can see this wave 1 here. So we have a rally. Should be a 5 ways rally because it ended with 1, and this with 1 ended at 24,806. Okay, and this is the rally that started from the March low. If I show you this 4-hour chart, this is the rally from March low here. Okay, from March 23rd, and the rally here looks to be in a 5 waves, right? Very clear, 1 2 3 4 5, no mistake on that. And currently doing this with 2, doing a zigzag AP, and then now within the C leg. So in the 1 hour we can see this one here in black, which is this one in black, and then we got AP, we got AP, and this A is in a 5 waves. This is the P as a zigzag ABC. So now we are within the C leg, which should be also in a 5 waves, and technically we could continue to see more downside here in the shorter cycle as long as we stay below 24,806. Alright, as long as we stay below this 2 in red as well, technically we can continue to see more downside. Alright, now in the shorter cycle, either we have a new low, a marginal low to end with 5, or of course we could also end with 3 already here and starting the wave 4 in the red. Now in that case we still look for another leg lower as well, as long as we continue to stay below this 24,806. Now at this point we do still need to break below the A in blue to confirm this view is valid, right? A break below A in blue, technically if it can go to a full 100% extension, it can give us a target to the downside. If you measure it like this, a full 100% extension can give us a move to this area, which is 22, around 22,900 is the 100%. Okay, and from here we could see support that gives us another leg higher in the wave 3, or at least a 3 bounce can happen from here. Okay, so of course it can do a double correction. It can only bounce from here and then do another 3 ways down to do a double zigzag, for example, which is possible. Okay, and at this point though, we do still need to wait. We still do need to wait to see what the reaction is going to be from this blue box. Is it going to go to new high or just bounce and fail? But shorter cycle, which is what we are looking at right now, is expecting the rally to fail below 24,806 for the downside. Alright, so that's the update for today in the Dow. And if you do like and enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe our channel, as well as if you want to try our service, as always, there is a 14 days free trial for new client. You can try our service. The link to the free trial can be seen in the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day to you all.